Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making sweet potato and chicken. Japanese sweet potato can be a cake and savory dishes for everyday meal. In Japanese cooking, we usually add sugar for sweetness, but for this recipe, we don't need to add any sugar for its own sweetness. Let's get started. Scrub your sweet potato well and cut into 1 cm slices. Soak in water to remove excess starch. Trim excess skin and fat from your chicken. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Add in salt and rub each pieces of chicken. Bring a pot of water to a boil and blanch the chicken until just outside turns white. In this method, we can remove any unpleasant smell and scum. This is an old-school method in Japanese cooking. Put your drained sweet potato and chicken into a pot. Add in soy sauce and mirin, ginger slices, and dashi. Turn the heat to medium and start cooking. Place a piece of parchment paper cut into round shape. Make a hole in the center. This is called Otoshibuta. Otoshibuta promotes the dashi, broth circulation, and season the ingredients evenly. After 10 minutes, the broth is almost gone, still remains some on the bottom. Transfer to a shallow bowl and it's done. The texture of sweet potato is soft and moist, savory but slightly sweet. Chicken is also moist and tender. This is the typical Japanese taste. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and healthy Japanese recipes. Tap the bell icon to be the first to know my new video is updated. Visit my website and store on Amazon for more information. And follow me on my social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!